Welcome to my 101 video. Yes, as you know, I did make a live video for my 100th video, and that was super fun. Okay, so now welcome back to another one of my scratch videos. This one is way cooler than the rest, because this time we actually making an interactive game where instead of using your mouse, you can actually use, video sensing. Okay, so let's go to create. Okay. First of all, that's what we're gonna have to do. Go to this little corner right there. This corner. It's the left bottom corner, and it says add extension. Now if you click on that, there's a bunch of stuff. There's music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, and these bunch of other stuff. But we'll be focusing on video sensing. And it allows Scratch to use your camera. And this will only work if you have a camera on your laptop. Because if it doesn't have a camera, well, this won't work, sadly. So just click allow. And hello! We will be using the cat this time. We won't be just crashing it. Okay, but we will be needing a few more things. We will be needing a dog. Because why wouldn't you have a dog? Dog. Let's choose the puppy. I like this one. Okay, there we go. Now, let's bring out this block. When video motion is greater than 10. Then let's do the same for the cat. Now let's do this. So, let's go to sounds, and it should say play sound dock 2 or whatever basically. And then drag that under the video motion is greater than 10 block. Okay, so now this is what it will sound like. I like that. So let's stick with that. Now let's try this. I need to find a better sound so whenever I pet a dog, it doesn't bark. It likes it. So what I'm thinking is that we need to change the sound. I have never thought about this. When you pet a dog, it never usually barks. That's a weird bit. Let's go to animals. Yeah, that's what that is. That's even worse. Let's see about this. Yeah, there's nothing else. So I guess we'll stick to that, I guess. But I have a better one for the cat. Let's go here. And then, let's drag this one. Play some meow until done. Oh, wait, of course, my ears are in the way. The cat actually works way better than the dog. Because cats purr or meow whenever they get pet. So yeah. No time for the dog. So now, basically, you're thinking, how can I make a game with this? Well, it's not exactly a game, but with this, you can make a petting zoo maybe. So where you have a bunch of animals, like here, like you have a dog there, a cat there, and you have like a cool backdrop, all that kind of stuff, and you have a horse in one spot, and then something else in the other, stuff like that. So basically, this is instead of dragging your mouse around and clicking on it, why not turn on your video and edit in real life? And of course, you can change this to 100. or as many zeros as you want. Oh, whoa, that actually works. But basically, that just makes this one worse. It does nothing, because the reason is larger the number, that means like less is sensitive rather. So like if I change that to a 0, I'm not even close to it. I'm like this. So I'm saying a good number will be 5 if you're like 5 is kind of the best number right here. So yeah, if it were me, I would change the 10 to a 5. But yeah. Okay, so you know what? Stay on page, leave. There we go. Okay, there. Now for the next one. Okay, the next one we will not be needing the cat. And we'll be needing a balloon. I mean, why wouldn't you have a balloon? And then of course you go to the corner, video sensing, allow, and hello again. Okay, this is gonna be more of a game. So of course drag this out, change that to 5, because why wouldn't you? And then go to sound and then play sound pop. There, see what happens. Well, it makes the sound pop, but it doesn't pop. That's the problem. So let's go to looks, bring out the hide and show block, go to motion, drag out the go to random position. So now that's what you're gonna have to do. You put those 2 pieces of code, and then you put hide, go to random position, and let's do this. Let's make it to next costume. There. Now let's try it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's all over the place. Bam, 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 bam. I'm so good at this game. Look at that. Perfect. Now, if you just don't want it spawning in like a different spot, you can remove a few pieces of the code, and you can do this. So, of course, you have to remove the place on pop, and all this, of course, because you don't need any of it. This is more of, how do you say, an easy code. Just drag out this. Voila. Perfect. But the problem with this is that sometimes when you hit the balloon, it goes behind your hand. I tried a few ways to solve that, but there is seriously no possible way to actually do that. So sometimes the balloon will end up going through your hand. So yeah. Like, yeah. Wah! Wah! Push the balloon. Shoo! Get away. You. Get away. Okay, enough with this. Let's move on to the final one. This is kind of the more exciting one. So you know how I showed you that I haven't showed you how to make the full game yet. Like I haven't added the backdrop for any of them, showed you how to make a transparency and all that kind of stuff. But for the last one, I'm going to be showing you how to make a full-on game using video sensing. Okay, I'm just going to show you what it's gonna look like. So yeah. Okay, allow. Bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah, I'm so good. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. And of course, that's my band name, AAC Series. Okay, so, if you want to learn how to start making this game. Okay, so, let's make a new game, of course. Create new, delete this, and I have a bunch of sprites already in my backpack. Cause why wouldn't you? Here we go, that. Yes. Okay, good. Right. Do this. So, of course, you have to go to the corner there, video sensing, click on it, go to the tab, drag out. When video motion is greater than 10 block, I changed this to 15 because I really don't know why. But I feel like for a rock band, it will be needing 15 at least. Because for one thing, you need like different sounds at different times. So if you want, you can change this to 5, but I'd rather prefer 15. But for this video, I'll be changing this to 5. Okay, there we go. Now, just go to sound, and it should be this block. Place down, roll cymbal, until done. Now, it'll only show that, of course, if you choose drum cymbals. Now, you can choose different sounds like this, or you can choose this, you can choose this, eek, you can choose this. Okay, that one doesn't really feel like a cymbal now. But you have different choices, and just attach it in the code. You basically have everything so that you can start your rock and roll band. Do 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 do. And the reason I prefer 15, you can probably see right now, like. Now this is way better. So, guys, that is basically what you can do. Of course, if you want, I mean, this is really your choice. You can add a backdrop. And you can add transparency. Okay, but anyway, so, if you want to change the video transparency, you can change it to like 5 so you can barely see the stage. Not 5. Maybe like, okay, I can just like barely see the stage. How about like 20 work? Okay, so if you want 20 or like 30 might be a good idea if you want to do that kind of stuff. You can see the stage and also yourself, but I'd rather prefer it without being there. So I'm just gonna delete that. And delete the backdrop. So, of course, now you can add a title. So here's something you can do. You can just go to backdrops, and you can type in your band name. Okay, that's a good idea. AA I've actually never tried this, but why not try it now? And change it to like red. Okay, there. There. AA dash Steam series. Here we go. And let's do that. Make it bigger. So, and voila. If you want, I mean, this is really your choice. You can do that. But to make your letters dance or something like that, like how I showed you in my example, I'm going to choose a sprite, letters, and put individual letters, and you can put a code for them to bounce around or something like that. So it's really your choice here again. So of course I need to change the video transparency now to 100. Oh, never mind, not 100. Let's change it to 70. Okay, still no. 50, just stick with that. Yeah, 50 is good, as you can see. So you can see the title, you can see your instruments, you can see yourself, and you can start your very own band. So, well, I guess you can use this if you want to play instruments and you don't have them at home. You just use Scratch and make your own rock and roll band. And of course, you can share it with others. Share. Woohoo! Let me turn a big screen. Oh yeah! I don't know why I'm whacking the guitar. I don't know if you play a guitar, you whack it. But you don't think this is like the drums. What? Wow. Okay, so now I just have to say super still like this so it doesn't make a sound. So I do not want to detach the code again since I already shared the game. Okay, so yeah guys, that will be it for today. And thank you for seeing my 101 video. Stay tuned for my 102nd video. And now I have 402 subscribers. Yes, 402 subscribers. So guys, that will be it for today. See you later. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, rock and roll.